So I'll show you how to do a simple patchwork. I'm not doing any fancy design, but you can do a bird, a heart, a flower, or a lot of things that and for that, for the ideas, what I do is I just go to kids clothing website and I just check on what's in trend right now, and that makes easier for me to make different patches for the kids clothing. So here I'll be using a triangle and I'll be using a square to make a house, and you can decorate it with a door and a window and anything you want on top of it. And this was extra scrap fabric. It was from the mask we made for the kids. So here we go. The first thing we do is we'll stitch this square on top of this white fabric. While you do so, don't forget to fold the square. If you don't want to fold that, use zigzag stitch. So for this, one thing you can do is you can fold this and do the straight stitch on the top, or if you don't want to fold that, you keep the shape as it is and you use the zigzag stitch at the border. So I'll be using zigzag thread right now. Again, it's your choice how you want it. For that, I'll just make the stitch a little smaller and wider. So before I start stitching, I like to see how it's gonna look, and it seems I need the bigger stitch. Do it. So when you're doing this, be patient with this. Goes really slow even if you're very experienced sewer. When you're at the corner, just take the pressure foot up, move the fabric 90-degree angle, and put the pressure foot down again. It looks, and it looks 3D as we didn't stitch this part.